Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to use mobile Photoshop to edit your photo. So the first thing you have to do is make sure that you already installed the Photoshop on your mobile phone, and after that you just need to click it to open it. And here is the look whenever you open the Photoshop application on your phone. So in the home section you will be showing every part or features that you can use for editing. So if you want to start edit your photo, there will be several options. Either you want to edit the photo by your style, or you want to do a face retouch, or you can also do the combine or collage your photo. So here to edit your photo, you just need to go click this part, and after that go access the photo that you want to edit. So here I would like to take from the Pinterest picture, and after that you just need to go click or choose the picture that you want to edit. And here you already have the project. Now to edit, for example, the basic editing that you or people mostly do is go into the adjustment to adjusting the light for your picture. And if you want to cropping, resizing the size of the picture, you can just slide these features on the left side until you find this crop. And now you can do an original, or you can also customize the size by drag the corner point of your photo. So here I think I will let to crop it right here. And after you're done, you just need to go click back. And now your picture is already cropped it. You just need to exploring all of the features that give by the Photoshop down here. And if you want to do a simple editing just by adding the filter, you just need to go click the filter that already provided by the Photoshop on your phone. That's so easy. So whenever you're done doing editing, now you just need to go click or take a look on this part. If you want to download right away, you just need to go click this button, but if you want to download and share, you can go click this button. So let's do a downloading. So you just need to go click this part, and your photo is already saved on your photo library. So let's check on our photo library. So the photo is already saved. So that's the way how to edit your photo with the Photoshop on your mobile phone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.